Hello YouTube and welcome knife enthusiast. Today we got a really awesome unboxing from Traditional Pocket Knives. So, veteran owned. It's actually in Ohio, the same state I'm in. So, I got it really quick. It was available for order, I think, on Monday or Tuesday. And I've been waiting on this knife for weeks to be available. One of my favorite knives I picked up has been this QSP Penguin. Absolutely love the action on it. So, they were offering one in titanium, which titanium is my favorite kind of knife to collect. There's something about a titanium handle that I absolutely love in a folding pocket knife. So you can get this QSP Penguin with in titanium on like eBay or other websites with like plain scales, and it's a little bit cheaper, but I'm glad I held off and I picked up this one because this is my first titanium knife in like a frag pattern. Plus, you'll see when I get it out, but it came with a bunch of stickers, which is awesome because I'm a huge sticker fanatic. My kids have always asked, Dad, why do you got to put stickers on everything? But really cool. These are going to go right on my knife box. And get a diagram of the knife with all the dimensions. And yes, this is an M390. Probably one of my favorite blade steels. The other one that's a little bit cheaper than this with the normal scales, it's not M390. I can't remember what it is, but really cool that they sent a bunch of stickers. Guess this is stuff that's on sale. Man, I really like this knife. I really want to pick one of these up. I was just looking at this on eBay. The same exact knife. Like, something about that handle pattern is freaking amazing on it. So, just a lot of information. There's a shipping thing. You guys don't need to see that. I did pick up another QSP Penguin from them. More stickers. Heck yeah. Heck yeah. Check that one out. Have a nice day. What does that say? QSP Knife Company. Oh, that's awesome. Better knife, better life. Heck yeah. That's cool. I like that. That is awesome. And we got some cards. There's the knife I got. Then we got the one in black, which I don't have no black coated titanium. I like the natural raw look. So, another card down here. Holy cow. And I think that's it. So let's get into the QSP Penguin. See how we get into this. There we go. Oh, look at that. There's a little pull tab here. So this is different than their normal box. It's how you can get a hold of them. Their websites where you order from. Traditional pocket knives. So they have all kinds of exclusives and awesome knives. Really fast shipping. Get a bunch of stickers with the order. Really cool box. I don't think I have any other knife boxes even similar to that. I'm still stoked about all the stickers. Now, one thing was this is a frame lock, where the original one is a liner lock. So, and the original has amazing action. So, let's see what kind of action this one has. Oh, yeah, I'm not disappointed in that. Awesome, like, frag pattern. It's kind of like a frag pattern, but somebody down in the comments, or somebody might leave a comment saying what it actually is. Spidey flick. Oh, yeah. Just something about the QSP Penguin. I love the action on it. Love the blade shape. I mean, just, man, look at that blade shape. Not quite drop shut, but I bet it will be with, oh, it already feels smoother. Oh, yeah. I bet it just needs broken a little bit. It already feels smoother, though. Oh, yeah, that's going to be real nice and drop shut here. Oh. So awesome, get this in titanium. Now, this year, QSP is launching a larger version of this, and they're launching a smaller version of this. So I can't wait for them to come out. So glad to add this to the titanium pocket knife collection. Awesome, awesome exclusive. Glad I held out for this one. Man, was I excited when I found out it was being released in M390. Because the other ones available that don't have the frag pattern on them, that are just like smooth scaled, are not in M390. They are in a good steel though. I'd almost like to do a comparison with this M390 and the QSP Penguin in D2. Do a cut test with them. See which one can cut more hemp rope or something. Now, I bought this one when I decided I wanted to do knife videos or do comparisons. Just for like a reference, because a lot of people probably have a QSP Penguin. You can pick them up for like 31 bucks on Amazon or eBay. Like 31, 32 bucks in D2. So they're really popular. They have amazing action. But I bought a QSP Penguin for doing knife videos, and I got this one in carbon fiber because I just love the pattern and design of it. But I haven't carried it on me because I don't really want to mess up the carbon fiber on it. So from traditional pocket knives, I did pick up this QSP Penguin in a denim, because I don't have nothing in a denim micarta yet. So this is in D2. The blade's not coated. Really like the look of it. And I thought, yeah, I'd carry this one every day. But after getting it, and I got it so it could be a daily carry, but I've never even used it And you can already see like a dirt spot on it right there. Must be from my thumb. And it must have been, I don't know, kind of on the back too. I've only handled this with clean hands a couple times, so I don't know how, or if that's just from the natural oil in my hand. Because some micarta, uh, the natural oils in your hand actually start changing it like instantly. Like on this Asher knife. Now you can see right there, and I've only handled this with clean hands. Amazing action on this Asher knife. I absolutely love it. But you can see it right here. And then somebody who posted a picture of theirs that they got, you can kind of see that same mark that's right here. You can kind of see right there on theirs. So it's, even though I haven't carried it, and then you can already see this is all darker than like right underneath the pocket clip. So just since I got it, the few times I've handled it in my hands, just flipping it around, playing with it, has already started discoloring it. So I kind of worry about that. So if anybody knows, if you've carried around some kind of denim micarta or some kind of micarta pocket knife, and maybe the natural wearing of it is what you want. Like if you get a knife that has brass scales, you want them to naturally start wearing and looking like a worn penny. So I don't know. But yeah, I bought the Asher's knife because I wanted a knife that was American made from a small American designer like Asher. I think it's really awesome, amazing action. QSP Penguin I picked up because I just wanted to have it for size comparisons, because a lot of people might have one, and I fell in love with it. Same reason I picked up the Ontario Rat 1 and 2 for a size comparison. So you can see this is more of the size of the Ontario Rat 2. Ontario Rat 1 is just a huge knife. I don't think people realize how big of a knife this is. And these are both really good budget knives. I'm not sure if they've made a titanium version yet, but I'm sure somebody will sooner or later. Then here's it compared to the Demko, which the Demko just has amazing action, like one of the best actions if I could hit it right. There we go. It's so easy to flick. I just haven't flicked it for a while and I wasn't holding it quite right. But kind of a similar blade shape. Actually, they make a bigger QSP Penguin. It's going to be huge. Because it is a good sized knife. I really like the size of it. But the Demko feels like a pretty good full size knife. This blade does feel a little small, but I mean, the handle's a little longer. The blade's about the same exact size, like pretty darn close. Of course, I need to get titanium scales for this, which I'm definitely going to get the titanium scales for this. They cost as much as a knife, but with them, I think it would be well worth it. And plus then I can put it in the titanium pocket knife collection. So absolutely love the action on this. So fidget friendly. And a satisfying sound. Awesome, awesome knife. So happy to add it to the collection. Titanium milled clip. Absolutely love the titanium mill clip. I hate when they put a cheap, like, they'll say it's a titanium clip, but it's just a spring clip, which I did get a deep carry clip for this. A titanium deep carry clip. So now nothing sticks out of the pocket but that. I mean, because it actually extremely deep carry. But guess we could see how it slices on. Usually embarrass myself try and slice paper on video, but holy crap. Yeah. Yep. They definitely put a good edge on this from the factory. And look at a close-up of the grind, but my camera does not want to focus on the knife or the edge. Overall, very happy, very glad I held out. They're 125 bucks, which the normal titanium variation of this I think is 95 or 100 bucks on eBay. I think they're like 95 bucks. So to get a frag pattern and M390, come on now, you can't freaking beat that. Cannot beat that. Best knife QSP has ever made, I guarantee it. Well, let me know down in the comments what you think. And like always, make sure and hit the subscribe button. And have an awesome day.